Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your theming. For clarification, the theming changes the layout and the look and feel of your bookings and booking fields displayed on the diary. To access the settings, from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. In the Settings screen, click on the User Entity Settings tab. Take note that the user entity settings are set per user per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the user. Also note that the user entity settings will always override the diary and entity settings for the specific user. Click on the theming panel to expand it. The booking display template is the template of the theme. Click on the drop-down menu to see the 3 different templates available. The default template will be selected by the system as a default. Here's an example of how a default template will display. The default template will display the booking status, booking type, dater number, file number, dater and patient details, treating doctor, and the booking icons on the booking. Here's an example of how the minimal template will display. With the minimal template, the booking status, booking type, treating doctor, dater and patient details, dater number, and the booking icons on the booking will display. Here's an example of how the MidAir template will display. With the MidAir template, the booking status, M1 or M2 type, patch number, time/duration, treating doctor, and the booking icons on the booking will display. Please take note that the MidAir theme was specifically created for MidAir and may not apply to your practice. In addition to the MidAir theme, the Enable Express Dater on Booking setting in the Entity Settings tab must be set to the MidAir option. Once the Enable Express Dater on Booking setting is set to the MidAir option, the Add/Edit booking screen will display as such. Click on the Close button to exit the settings screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the new settings.